Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss on bridge design pattern. So bridge design pattern is a structural design pattern that basically segregates your class or closely related classes into two separate parts. One is abstraction, another is implementation, and that both class can be grown individually. Fine. Uh, like let's see, let's take an example. Suppose we have a car. Let's say we have a vehicle such as car and bike. Fine. Now the mode of this ride of this car and bicycle is petrol. Okay. Now I introduce another mode of transportation is electric. Now tell me what is the number of ways of this vehicle transportation. So it will be four, right? And this is not just it. On increasing vehicle, another increasing of transportation mode, this pattern, this ways increases exponentially. So to break this problem, we have introduced with a new design pattern, which is bridge design pattern. Okay, so let's try to implement, and we will know a bit more in details. Okay, so bridge. Let's take the same example, which is vehicle. Okay, okay. So let's. This is a vehicle class, and Uh, we have one method which is refill. Okay, and we just let's leave this here itself. Let's make this as a pure virtual class. That will be great. Okay, okay. Now let's have this vehicle as car.h, and as you know, the car will be implementing vehicle. Okay, first let's import vehicle. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Since we have this vehicle, first of all, let's introduce you with engine.h. Engine is nothing but the mode of transportation. So that's engine, and the same here we will have pure virtual function, which will be refill. Okay, we have not completed car, so let's complete it. But before that, I need to import engine, and here I will take engine. Let's have the constructor, which will take. Okay, okay. What's the issue? Not allowed. Let's make this as allowed. Now I'll also make this as allowed. No, fine. Object of abstract class engine is not allowed. Okay, got the issue. So let's do one thing. Let's take a pointer here. That will resolve my issue. Okay, got this. And we again have a refill, and it will just print nothing car. Okay, okay. So let's make another class which will be bike fetch, and I will take the same class with bike, just changing. Okay, I guess everything is right. Fine. Since we have completed with vehicle, let's try to make subclass for engine. Now the subclass for engine will be petrol, as we have discussed. Okay, which will be implementing. Before that, I need to import engine. Okay, let's for petrol, we'll have a refill white. Um, we can say as refill with petrol. Okay, ready. Okay, I guess everything is good. Okay, since you were worried why I have not like implemented constructor here, but since you know that we have made an object for engine here itself, that's why I'm not making any constructor for petrol as such here. Okay, fine. Let's have another class which will be electric, and it will be same as petrol. Okay, fine. Now we can have main class. I need to implement. So what we are gonna do here, we will try to make an object for engine subclasses and object for vehicle subclasses. And we are passing basically engine subclasses to the object no, vehicle subclasses. And let's see what happens. So let's petrol H, electric H, car H, and Bike also. Okay, let's say we have petrol and we have car, petrol. See here what happened? Car, car matches the argument list. Okay, no instance of constructor. Okay, we can pass it. Inaccessible. Why? Good. Conversion inaccessible base class engine. Where is it? It is fine. Hmm. This is vehicle. Let's do one thing. Instead of implementing, implementing engine everywhere, we can do one thing. We can make a object of engine here itself. Okay, and for that we need to make constructor which will be taking engine. Oh, sorry, I need to take here also. And since we are taking engine which is abstracted, then I have to initialize that also. Got this. I hope now everything will work fine. Let's see that we have this engine here, which will be refilling fine. Now, let's do one thing. Instead of making this as virtual, we will just have this method itself. Nothing we are doing with. Okay, we are going to override it. That's the that's the main thing because see the definition of the bridge is what abstraction and implementation. So implementation is happening with engine and abstraction is for vehicle. So that's what we are following, try to following it here. So let's see. Okay, since we are not taking engine here, we need to remove it. And yes, we have to implement. We have to initialize vehicle here, right? Vehicle with engine. That's fine. Okay, and the same goes for car. I'm not taking engine everywhere. I'm just taking engine as in my parent class. That's it. Instead of implementing in every classes. Okay. Uh, let's see. Yes, and then one more thing. We can have this engine. We can have this engine refill. Okay, undefined. Why so? Okay, so in that case, I need to define in my main class. But why we need to define? Okay, let's do one thing. First, we need to override it here, and the same goes for electric. Fine. What's again? Member function declared with override does not override a base class member. Public. What's the issue? Debugging is also a very good thing because we should know how to debug our code. Writing is also one part, and debugging is a second part. But anyways, we'll try to figure out what is the issue is happening. Uh, Hope I can make it virtually. And here's card refill. So there was no issue as such. I just need to rename my engine to engine. That's what the issue was happening here. And I hope everything is cool now. Okay, let's try to run our code. Okay, so can we make car.refill run? Let's see if everything is right. Right. Let's see what's happened. Okay, we defined a class vehicle. Okay, got it. Yeah, we are always forgetting this thing. Dharma once. Never forget this. Okay. See, refilled with petrol is fine. Now try to refill with what? Electric. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Will this work or not? Again, what? What's the issue, bro? Conversion of an inaccessible base class engine is not allowed. I've just changed engine. That's it. Okay, got this. Silly me. Okay, let's see. Car refilled with electric 100%. So yeah, that was bridge design pattern, and see you next time.